Good evening. Today is Wednesday, December 20, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Here are the STL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Peona Trading Supply Corporation for December 20, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Wednesday, December 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.